Choose freedom, choose adventure, choose leisure.
Hi campers, welcome back to the Choose Leisure Motorhome channel. My name's Dawn and I'm one of the dedicated handover technicians here at Choose Leisure Motorhomes in Canterbury in Kent. Today I'm going to be giving you a little tutorial on how to plumb your gas bottle into your vehicle. So yeah, follow me and we'll get that done.
So what bottle have you got there, Dawn?
Well, this bottle is a 6 kilogram propane gas bottle. Now, I don't know if you can see from there, Mark, but this actually has a valve on top. So it's not like patio gas or what you'd have at home with your barbecue. Your regulator is already built into the vehicle and there are pipes that connect into the actual bottle itself. So it's important you have that shut-off valve so you can shut the gas supply when you drive.
And as we like to say, a righty-tighty to close the bottle off so there's no gas coming out, lefty-loosey, anti-clockwise to open the bottle.
So we're going to plumb this in now. So we're going to open up the gas socket, open it up like that. Okay, and then we're going to pick this up and put it into place. So this is what we call a pigtail. So this end is what goes into your gas bottle, and it's got a little black button on there, and this end screws into your regulator, which looks like this. Now this is a crash protection regulator. So basically you can see at the moment that it is popped open. So in this position as it is with the button popped out means that the vehicle feels like it's been in a bump and it's popped the button out to cut the gas supply to inside. So if that button is popped out at any time, you need to push it back in, and once it stays in and it's flush, then you know that you'll be getting gas supply into your appliances. So we're going to now plumb our gas bottle into the vehicle. So here's our pigtail that's attached to our regulator in the vehicle. And we're going to push that in there. And by the clever magic that is video, we're going to speed this up so you can see it in quick time. Okay, so now that I've actually put the pigtail into the bottle, I can turn the gas on, so lefty-loosey, righty-tighty for the valve. Now the pigtail, might be worth mentioning just here, that this nut is a left-handed thread. So basically when you're screwing the pipe into the bottle, it actually tightens up the opposite way. But when we're going to turn the valve on, okay, we're going to pressurise the gas system. So the gas is now turned on. We need to press this little black button. Now this black button is not on all pigtails on all vehicles. Some of them don't have that, but we've just heard it go into the van, and now we know that we're getting gas supply to the vehicle. So campers, that's it. That's basically how you plumb in your gas bottle to the vehicle. Again, hope you found the tutorial useful. I know a lot of people do phone up and ask us for these kind of tutorials because obviously we find it handy. Especially if you've never done it before. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. As always, we are your dedicated handover technicians and we are always here to help. So keep an eye on the content and we'll be releasing more tutorials as we need them. And of course, we'll be reviewing more stock as it becomes available. So do give us a like and subscribe. And until next time, campers, carry on camping.